Today we talk about Nio Phone 2. It's launched on July 2024. The dimensions of Nio Phone 2: height 6.45 inch, width 3.05 inch, thickness 8.6 mm, the weight is 209 gram, and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display, it's come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.82 inches with 89.4% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 2K and the PPA density is 510. The refresh rate is 120 Hz with 2600 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Let's go to the platform. The Nio Phone 2 comes with Sky UI 2.0 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm and the CPU is octa-core Cortex-X4 3.3 GHz. The GPU is Adreno 750. The memory of Nio Phone 2 is 12 GB and 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The camera setup of Nio Phone 2, it's come with triple camera setup, 48 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 2.6 optical zoom, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The front selfie camera is 12 megapixel and it's record 4K 60 fps video too. Let's go to the battery setup. The Nio Phone 2 comes with 5020 mAh battery with 80 watt fast wire charging and 50 watt wireless charging. The reverse wireless charging is 10 watt, and the common and the features, it's come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP68 dust and water resistant. The price of Nio Phone 2 is $899.